Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start inside Settings, enable Guided Access under Accessibility, then choose a passcode and allow Face ID as the authentication. Once enabled, open the app you plan to lock down and triple-click the side or home button to enter Guided Access immediately. Make sure to set session options now, touch, motion, and time limits, because these choices determine what Face ID can override later. Do this first so the device knows to accept your face as the way to end the session. Now configure the session itself. After triple-clicking, tap options to turn features on or off. For example, disable touch or motion if you need stricter control. Once done, enable a time limit if you want guided access to end automatically, because Face ID can then be used to exit before timeout when allowed. Make sure the Face ID option is not blocked by any accessibility shortcut. These settings control how Face ID interacts with guided access while the session is active. To end guided access, triple-click the side or home button and authenticate with Face ID. If recognition works, the session ends instantly. If Face ID fails, enter the guided access passcode instead. This is the guaranteed fallback. If you experience repeated Face ID failures, make sure the true depth camera is unobstructed, then restart the device and re-enable guided access. If problems persist, toggle Face ID off then on in Settings and re-register your face. That usually resolves recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.